Connect the power supply. Connect the footpod L to the laser port correctly. Functions of each connector. Release the emergency stop button. Turn the key switch clockwise. The screen will light up. Auto-enter next interface in 3 seconds. Water adding operation. Click Set on the standby interface. Enter the password 66,778,899. Water adding interface. Just click Start to add water. The water must be pure water. Machine stops adding water automatically when tank is full. Language settings. Change language password 666,666. We can also customize your local language. Language switched successfully. Emitting count reset. There are points available now. Password 666,888. This count have been reset to 0. Advanced parameters interface setting. Parameter settings. Password 16,263,646. Adjust to the clearest alignment position, at which point the crosshair mark should be fully aligned with the area to be welded. Lightly press the foot switch to initiate laser welding. Turn off the machine. Shut down the system. Turn off the power. Application scenario demonstration. Widely used in jewelry industry, gold and silver hole repair, welding of mobile phone, electronics, watches, eyeglasses, hardware. ADW recommended parameters of YAG welding machine.